There are a number of products available to consider light up Christmas sweater, any with different characteristics, many benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read quite a few reviews, and compiled the best light up Christmas sweater from reputable designs. After much research, I stumbled onto these products, much a good choice for people like you. You need to know about the price as well information. Be sure to take a look my description. Number 1. Tipsy Elves Ugly Christmas Sweater. Step into the festive season with flair and a dash of humor with Tipsy Elves Ugly Christmas Sweaters for women. Our collection is not just clothing, it's a celebration of the holiday spirit wrapped in cozy, eye-catching designs. Embrace the joy of the season with these whimsical and tongue-in-cheek sweaters that redefine the term ugly and turn it into a style statement. Crafted with care and a touch of mischief, Tipsy Elves Ugly Christmas Sweaters for women are the perfect blend of comfort and festive charm. Whether you're attending an ugly sweater party or just want to stand out at Number 2. New Choice Women's Casual Lightweight Long Sleeve. Elevate your autumn wardrobe with the New Choice Women's Casual Lightweight Long Sleeve Cardigan, the epitome of comfort and style. This soft, drapey open front fall duster is designed to be your go-to layering piece, effortlessly blending versatility and elegance. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this cardigan boasts a lightweight fabric that gently cascades, creating a flattering silhouette. The open front design adds an air of laid-back sophistication, making it perfect for both casual outings and more polished ensembles. The long sleeves Number 3. Yesno Women's Sweater. Embrace bold style and cozy comfort with the Yesno Women's Sweater Graphic Oversized Pullover. This casual yet chic piece redefines the classic sweater, offering an oversized fit, eye-catching graphics, and a relaxed vibe that's perfect for any occasion. Crafted with attention to detail, the knit construction ensures a soft and cozy feel against your skin, making it perfect for cooler days and nights. The versatile design allows you to pair it effortlessly with jeans, leggings, or even a skirt, offering endless possibilities for creating your own signature look. Whether you're lounging at home, heading out for a casual day, or meeting up with friends, the Yesno Women's Sweater Graphic Oversized Pullover is the perfect blend of style and comfort. Elevate your wardrobe with this must-have knit top that adds a touch of personality to your everyday wear. Say yes.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out.
Number 4. Tipsy Elves Men's Ugly Christmas. Get ready to slay the holiday style game with Tipsy Elves Men's Ugly Christmas Sweaters, the epitome of festive fashion with a side of humor. These are your typical holiday sweaters. They're a merry mix of outrageous designs and comfortable coziness, making them the ultimate choice for any Christmas celebration. Our funny Christmas sweaters for men aren't just about keeping warm, they're about making a statement. From quirky reindeer antics to hilarious snowman shenanigans, each sweater is a masterpiece of merriment that guarantees you'll stand out at every ugly sweater party or festive gathering. So, gear up for a season of laughs, compliments, and festive fun with Tipsy Elves. Our funny Christmas sweaters for men are not just garments, they're a celebration of the joy. Number 5. Joy in Ugly Christmas Sweaters for Women 2020. Light up the festive season with Joy in Ugly Christmas Sweaters for Women 2023, where holiday charm meets dazzling technology. Our Light Up Christmas sweater takes the ugly sweater tradition to a whole new level with LED reindeer magic, ensuring you stand out as the shining star of every celebration. Illuminate the room and spread holiday cheer with our LED Reindeer Ugly Christmas sweater. The eye-catching design features twinkling lights that bring the spirit of the season to life. Whether you're attending an ugly sweater party, a family gathering, or just strolling through a winter wonderland, this sweater ensures you'll be the talk of the town. Crafted with both style and comfort in mind, our Christmas sweaters are made with high-quality materials that feel soft against your skin. The LED lights are strategically placed to enhance the festive design without compromising.
It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much